everybody, in this video we are going to talk about numbers in Python. So there are two main types of number we will work with throughout this entire course. The first one is integer, which are just simply whole numbers, and the other one is floating point, numbers without decimal point. So let's open Jupyter Notebook and explore some basic math with Python. So let's start with some basic arithmetics first. If you want to do addition, you can use the addition sign. If you want to do, let's say, subtraction, you can use the subtraction sign. If you want to do, let's say, multiplication, you can use the asterisk. If you ever want to do, let's say, division, you can use the forward slash. For example, 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. It's 2. Now I'm going to introduce you to something called a mod or modulo. It's okay if you haven't heard about it before. And basically what it does is just that it returns the remainder of two values after a division. So let's see some examples. To perform a mod or modulo operation, you can go ahead and use the percent sign. For example, 5 remainder of 3. It's 2. Now it can be pretty useful when you are trying to find out if a variable is, let's say, even or odd. Okay, so let's see another example of this, 10, which is 0. It is nice because it is a nice way to tell if a number is divisible by another number. Now let's continue with everything else about arithmetics. Now I want to show you how you can use power operation in Python. If you want to do power operation, you can use asterisk 2 times in a row. Use 125. Let's see another example of this. 6 power 3. 216. Okay, nice. Now I want to show you how you can perform order of operation in Python. Let's say if I have a equation here, if I want to change its order of operation, and if I want to, let's say, if I want to execute the numbers with addition signs first, I can just go ahead and put parentheses around them, and that's it. And now I believe that everything that I just said here is pretty straightforward, but still, if you have any question, you can ask those questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to support my YouTube channel, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos.